Today we're going to look at this. T-brake. Mid 1970 here, and today we're going to look at this. Nasty. So I'm going to take this apart, swap it for a brand new one, and show you the finished result. Now, where airbags are concerned, they're very dangerous. They're explosives, and they can go off with a spurious electrical charge. So what we need to do is we need to disconnect the negative terminal from the battery, move it out of the way, isolate it from the battery, and then leave the car for a few minutes, let any charges die down within the system before we even attempt to take the airbag off. The car is completely safe now with the negative terminal removed. Now, the airbag unit itself is held on by two T30 Torx head bolts. We've got one here and one on the other side of the steering wheel. Now we have the airbag unit. Now, I need to get this off. So it's easy to show you now. That's a lock. Take the lock out, and then you can pull the connector out. And there we have the airbag unit. Okay. So what we've got to do now is take off the old cover, put a new cover on, and then put that back on it as well. So it's taken me about 10 minutes, but the old casing is off. And there we have it. Now to put the new casing back on. And here's the new part, fresh off eBay. Fits Astra G and Zafira. There we have it. Okay, what we need to do now is we need to take the emblem off here and fit the emblem there. See the three heat stakes. Got to clear those heat stakes off to get it out. So there we have the emblem with the heat stakes. And what we're going to do now is we're going to drill 3 holes in this. It should be alright. Trim that. Right, so next you want a socket that's just larger than the heat stake, yeah? And we're going to push these heat stakes back through these holes. So we align the heat stakes up with the holes, put the socket over the heat stake and push down. And for the second one, and for the third one. Okay, and there we have it. The emblem is on, it's the right way up. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get a soldering iron and I'm going to melt this together in here so that it can't come off. Like so. And that's the emblem refitted. And this smells quite bad, so do it with plenty of ventilation. Now this label came from the old part, so we'll stick that back in. And then we're going to fit this back onto here. I don't know whether you can see it, but the plastic here actually acts as a locking tab. There is the airbag reskinned. So now we're ready to put it back in the vehicle. So before we fit it back in the vehicle, we just recheck that the battery is all clear. There's no electrical contact. So we're going to fit this back into the vehicle now. So just look at the curl in the cable first, you'll see how it goes. So this fits into here. There's also, can you see those marks? The connector will only fit in it one way. You can't get it wrong. Now, connector's fitted. Push the lock in. The lock is in place. Screw 2 bolts back in. that's the airbag fitted. Now we go back to doing the electrics. Now it's quite important that when we connect the battery up, we leave the door open, just in case the airbag detonates. If it does, the pressure can escape through the open door and it won't blow the windows out of the vehicle. Electrics are good. Test the horn. Brilliant. And that's it, another job done. A really simple job that anybody can do. If you've got an afternoon, you know, you don't have to rush it. It doesn't have to take 10 minutes. Take your time. The more things you can do for yourself, the better off you'll be. So this vehicle is now starting to look a little bit nicer, and there's only a couple more jobs to do on this, and then I'll be able to hand it over to my daughter. Anyway, if you enjoy my videos, please remember to like and subscribe. Love to see you again. There's lots of videos on my page for you to have a look at if you're interested in what I do. With the coronavirus going around, please remember to stay safe, stay indoors if you can, and I hope to see you again soon. Take care.